hotel namin, may mga ganito din pala na ang view mo is dito lang. So, mga 7 minutes yung hotel na to papunta sa downtown ng Banff. So, ikot-ikot lang naman kami. Okay. Saan? Ala!
She ate a Smurf. And she's becoming one from the inside.
Okay. So, lumalamig na yung weather, no? Ayan, malamig na siya. So, pababa kami ngayon. Punta kami sa Banff downtown.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Alas 8 na eh. Oh, wala nang tao. Wala nang tao. Baka naman sarado na lahat. Oh, wala na. Hindi, naka-online ako.
I don't think so, Mama.
Oh?
Because most of the time, a lot of people walk. Remember when you went to Jasper? There's a lot of people.
Hindi kasi, bagay, at di pala to, kala ko ito yung,
Just like look and just like with the camera on and then I just walk around and see what looks very nice.
Oh, okay.
That's how we make the
So, mag-park ulit tayo dun sa pinag-parkan natin. So, ikot-ikot tayo dito. Let's see. Yan. Para ma-enjoy naman natin ng Banff ng gabi. Kasi mostly, araw lang tayo dito. Saan? Ay, oo. Kasi hindi na sila. Ito yung Dexy. Ito yung magandang pero pangit na yun si gabi na. Ito yung magandang dito. Ang dami na pipicture dito. Tapos yung camera nila dito nila nilalagay sa stoplight na yan. Dapat tayo nila dyan. Ganda. Sinarado na pala talaga to. Dati kasi pwede dito, di ba? Wala na ngayon. Yung balik kami dito. Tapos ikot-ikot kami dito. Maghanap ng kung ano-ano. Okay. Hello! Ayan, just sharing the view. So, first time namin ngayon na mag-ikot-ikot ng ganitong oras. It's already 8:30 PM. Try tayo. Want? Ito yung mga ganito. I don't know kung ano saan to. High Rock?
I feel that's more alcohol.
Alcohol nga.
Kasi most patios are kasi alcohol.
They offer alcohol something. McDonald's na na lang tayo kasi yan ang gusto ng mga bata.
No, we always go to McDonald's.
Yeah, I know. So, yan. Patio na lang tayo ng McDo.
I want them kids meal.
O, ano pa? Saan pa tayo? Cascade, ano ba yun? Dati?
I want the kids meal.
Hindi, saan yun? Yung pinunta? Ito yun?
Yep.
Okay. So, sito tayo. Loloob tayo dyan. Gusto nyo or ano?
Okay, walk up.
So, yan. So, ito.
I want the kids meal.
Ano bang kids meal?
Yeah.
I-try natin yung iba namang pagkain. Puro tayo McDo.
The apple juice.
Yun, ang daming tao. Dito muna si Dexa kasi gusto niya pa din sa McDonald's.
Where we eat.
So, titingin tayo.
Did you go inside there? Clock Tower.
Parang hindi naman siya
No,
Oo.
that's the mall. Let's look.
Mall entrance. Baka yan yun. Hindi Hindi, bungad to O yan na!
Yay! Guys got the...
Okay. Okay.
Milk.
May milk ka.
Where should we eat?
What is it?
So, tingin tayo. Tingin tayo ng... Gusto ko sana nagpapatio din tayo. Tingin kayo. Ng iba naman, maiba. Wala na kasi ito yung iba eh. Wala na. Mayroon sana yan o yung ano na yan. Ano silang ramen. Oh yeah. Ay hindi, iba naman yung kanya. So ayan, tingin tayo na makainan guys. Maiba naman. Pili kayo ng iba. Sige. Tara. Pili kayo ng ibang makainan. Kasi baka McDo na naman. Hindi, mag-ano na ako.
Big Mac with no meat.
Big Mac with no meat. Ayan, mag-order na lang kami dito sa McDo. We end up McDo. Ay, Diyos ko mio. Wala eh.
They don't not have salads anymore.
Yeah, you try salad. Gusto ko din ng salad. Try mo nga. Maybe, parang nawala na. Pero dati ang sarap ng salad nila, be. Others, they don't have. So, ayun, dito. Ito ang, famous ang McDonald's dito sa Banff. Yan.
They don't have salad.
Huh? They don't have? I can ask if you like.
Can you?
Okay, sige. So, gamitin ang ating visa. Yeah. Ayan, visa ang ginagamit din niya. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. So, per meal, magkano? Meal namin sa McDo?
And then Dex says it's like
34.
50, let's say.
Oo, mga 50. Kamo na lang ang budget mo per meal. Okay. 50 to 60 ang budget namin per meal. Ayan. So, we're waiting na lang.
So hi guys, today we're going to show what's inside this McDonald's toy. So it makes me something, I think it's the color pink. Wait, let me look close. I think I see it's a little plastic, look. And that
Okay.
side and that side.
So, can you show me?
I think it has a pink ball.
So, wala. Nag-end up kami na McDo. What?
I think it's a cat.
Oh, okay.
Now see.
Yeah, let's see. So, ito ang view namin. Okay. Ayan. Itong view. Sige. Okay. Ooh. Nice. Show me? Ito, ano naman to? Hindi siya.
They're almost the same.
Oh, okay. So, ito. Kala namin si Dexa lang kakain dito. Yun tuloy. Dito na rin lang kami. Kasi ito lang yung patio here. Iba naman pang mga adult na. Ayaw ng mga kids. Okay. You drink your milk na para mamaya hindi ka na mag-milk. Okay? This is, I think this is a hotel, a bus. Yeah.
They went, the bus driver went there for nothing, right?
No, they have ano here, B. They have, yeah. No, they have their bus stop.
They have the bus stop?
Yes. Okay. Daddy. Ayan. Ang tagal lang order. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. Order for the kids. Okay. Okay, sige, kain na. Ang tagal. So, as usual lang yung order namin. Burger, fries.
Burger fries.
Yeah.
Burger fries.
Late na kasi maghanap ng kung ano-ano kasi baka masaraduhan kami. Yan. Yan, fries and burger. BLT ng akin. Pareho kami ni Dexy, yeah. night kami. So, tong kanto na to sinarado din pala. Yan. So, may mga ano din pala dito. Parang patio, ang tawag nila. So, yan. Ito, papakita lang namin sa inyo. Share lang namin yung tsura ng Banff kapag gabi. What? Rock and gems.
Look at all the rocks.
Yeah, I know.
Look,
I know.
look, Ronnie.
It's nice, right? Yeah, let's go. So, ito, Mount Royal. Ano to? Is this, Dixie, what's this? Yung Mount Royal na
I
yan.
don't know.
A restaurant?
It might be a restaurant.
Oh, restaurant ba yan?
That.
Oh, that's so nice, right? I know.
We should get a
So, try namin tomorrow daw itong ano na to.
Huh?
Canadian ice cream, sabi ni Daddy. If you want to try.
Spirit of Christmas.
Busog ako!
Mom,
My
the
God, di na ako
spirit of Christmas.
Yeah. Hindi kasi ako sanay kumain na.
Side eye. Christmas. What Christmas?
Ayun sila Daddy at Dexa. Walang kami ng clips just to show you guys ang itsura ng Banff pagkagabi. I think it's already 9:30. Magta-10 na ata eh.
I don't know. Wait, let me check.
Yeah. Yan oh, yung time nila.
9:49.
9:49. Oh,
9:50.
edi yung time nila hindi tama. Ayun oh. Something like 10:20.
Wait,
No? Yan, time nila dyan.
let me look.
So maraming mga makainan din here. Pero yun nga, ayaw naming mag-gamble ng food. Kaya nag-McDo na naman kami.
No, that's correct. Just need to have 2 long ones. See?
Oh, correct pala yun. Yan, so yan, sharing your view. Dito tayo sa gitna. Ayan. Ayan, here. Tayo sa gitna para maganda yung ano, makuha nating view. So nag-i-start pa lang yung mga tao siguro na mag nightlife. Yan sila, nasa patio sila. Ayan. So dito kasi sana kami, kaso lang yun nga yung food din natin.
You know, I was sitting there waiting for you guys. There was these people with a really big dog, and the dog came up to me. I was like,
Dito ka kasi nagagalaw yung cam ko. Magalaw kasi yung cam ko. Yeah. Aray ko,
and then there
tingnan mo
was this
sila, Bio.
big dog
Oh.
that came up to me, and I was really scared and they screamed.
Oh.
Because I was like, I didn't notice it because I was on my phone.
Uh-huh.
And I was waiting for you guys.
Mhm.
Because I don't know why, but I can't take.
Matagal ba kami?
You
Right.
guys were hours long.
Eh kasi sabi namin, mayroon ka namang key. Why you don't go upstairs
I
sa
thought you
amin?
guys were gonna come down soon.
Uh-huh.
But then I just got lazy and just sat there.
Yeah.
And then they turned on the fire 30 minutes in, so I was like,
Yeah. Oh,
so
yeah.
nice. I'll
I
stay
know.
here for a while.
I know.
The fire was really nice.
True.
That was early open earlier.
Siyempre nagko-close na din. Ganda naman ng suot ni ate, parang pantulog. Kita mo?
Pantulog to that.
Eh kasi,
I feel like, guys, that was not a compliment. It's something worse.
parang pantulog siya.
Oh, I'm not alone.
Sorry. Yeah. So, yan ang sinasabi pala na nag-i-stop dito yung bus. Ito pala siya. Sulphur Mountain, downtown siya pupunta. So, may nag-i-stop.
Chicken siguro pag araw nagbabas sila kasi mahirap na parang.
Oh, yes. tama naman din, no? Tama naman din. Kasi kanina mo nang bayad pa tayo, no? Yan, something ganon. Yeah, true. Lakad-lakad ka lang naman dyan eh. Wala naman nang pupuntahan na malalayo. Tama siya. Kung ano, bus, ano ka na lang din. Tama naman. Yan. So, yun, ang bayad ng parking dito is $29 or 25. 29 ba, Dad? O 25. Parang
Do
ganun.
we have to pay again when we get?
No more na it's a parking na yun until aalis tayo. So, ito, ang parking is bababa ka. Yan, ito siya. Yan, ito yung parking nila. Bababa. So, tama naman yung ano, sinabi nila na ang lobby is in the parang first floor. Tapos yung mga rooms nyo nasa baba. Mga rooms nasa baba. So, baba kami sa 7 kasi 7th floor yung room namin. Yeah, it's in the lobby. Pero, ano, saan? So, ayan. Dito kami. Ayan, from the parking. Ito siya. So, may entrance dito. Ayan. The Rimrock Resort Hotel. Ayan siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, nasa 7th floor yung nabook namin. So, ayan. Papakita namin sa inyo. Ayan. So, may mga bar na parang restaurant. Ano ang tawag dito? Yan. Mga cocktail. So, meron din silang spa here. Ang ganda. Itong cute. Ayan. Bababa ka. Ano was that? Convention facility. Yan, meron silang mga ganyan-ganyan. Mapaek-ek. Then they have also their cafe here. Rimrock Cafe. Yan. Close na ata ito. Close na siguro. So, ito pala siya. Pakita ko. Ito yung kanyang, ayan. Kuha ata nila to sa drone. So, ganito siya. So, nandito kami sa side. I think andito. Ay, nawala na. Ayan. Ito siya. Ito ang hotel. There. Dito ka nalang kuhanan. No, may electronic bikes. Oh, we rent electronic bike. May wine and cocktail sila. Live music, happy hour. Oh, wala na. Yeah, hi. Okay. So, I'm waiting for Dex and Daddy na lang. Yeah. So, ganito ang Rimrock Hotel. So, ito yung view sa baba. Ayan, share ko lang yung view sa inyo. So, ganito yung view namin sa room na nakuha namin. Ayan. So, ito siya. So, kapag gabi, nakikita yung mga ilaw dito. Sayang nga kasi hindi ko na nakuhanan kanina yung nung nakabukas ang far pit. Maraming tao dito. Bumaba din kami kanina pero saglitan na lang. Ayan, medyo natagalan kasi si Dexy ng kanyang washroom moment. Kaya yun. Ayan, ganda no?
People are taking a walk.
Yeah, there's a lot of people taking a walk pag ganito. So maganda din yung view nila dun, oh. Oh, yan. So Yan ang view namin. Yan ang morning view namin. Naks talaga lang. Yan ang morning view. Wow! Hanggang may matanda na dun. Ganda talaga din ng mga bundok niya. Ganda din siguro dito pagka winter o. No, at the same time. Yeah, at the same time yung yung fall. Gising na! Mga katauhan. So, nagyaya si Dexa na mag-swimming. I cannot see Dexa. Where is she? Oh, she opened the door for Mama. Okay, let's go. Okay, go. Go ahead. Okay. Yeah. Go up to the elevator. Ayan. So, ito talagang batang Ire ang gustong mag-swimming ulit. So, sige, pinagbigyan namin siya. So, it's only 8 a.m. 3rd, yeah. Spa and pool. So, 3rd floor ang spa and pool nila dito sa Rimrock Hotel. So, yan. Oh, ate will
Just follow us.
yeah, follow us. Yeah.
There we go.
So, 3rd floor. So, ito siya. So, ito may access key ka dapat. Yeah. Sorry. You have to have your access key here to go inside. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Yeah. No, nag-swimming na din siya. Aga. Sorry. Ayan, so magka-hot tub din kami. Mag-shower muna tayo, Dexa. Okay. Oo, mamaya. Isang bawal. Okay. So, shower muna tayo, baby. Okay, you go shower. So, ito yung shower room nila here. May tao ata. Pero ito nga, maganda nga yung shower room nila. Malaki. Okay, let's go. We have also like this. Okay, and then no, this one is steam room. No, shower ka lang, bebe. Shower lang. Okay. Okay. Sit down ka. Okay. 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 Go. So ito ang view. Maganda yung view here kasi kita mo yung bundok while you're swimming. Yan, tingnan mo. Yan yung bundok. Ito yung bundok. Ito yung view din namin sa room namin. Kasi sa taas lang yung room namin. So, ito yung nakikita namin view. Yan. Okay. So, ito yung room natin sa taas lang, kasi ito yung view natin. Yeah. Woo! So, malaki talaga tong swimming pool nila. Go, 1, 2, 3! Ayan. One more! May hot tub here. Yan yung sinabi ko. Okay. Okay. One more. Okay, at looking the mountain ka. Yan. Yan. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 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 You can do it. Oh, malapit na siya. Malapit na siya sa'yo, Daddy. Oh. Wow. Okay. Take you and Daddy picture here. Ngayon, kalapit na siya sa'yo. Huwag mo kasi picturean ko kayo. Okay. Okay, guys. Ready? And second day namin. So, ganito yung view here sa labas. Ayan. So, yan si Dexy. It's a beautiful place, honestly. Ayan. So, ito ata yung patio ng ibang area nila. Ganito yung weather and the view. And just showing you guys what to expect if pupunta kayo dito sa Rimrock Hotel. Yan. There's my baby. Good morning. Ayan, di kasi siya makaswimming. Sorry. Wait mo kami kasi magpapalit na ako. And then, paki-search mo yung ano natin. Kung paano yun. Titingnan muna natin dun. Ayan, so ito yung view. Dapat pala naglakad kami kanina. Wala nang time. Oh. Natuwa yung mga bata. Ang ganda. So, ito yung pag dito ka nag-book. Dito. Ito yung view mo. Which is dito yung mga rooms namin. So, dito ang room namin. Dito lang sa taas dito. Si dito yung sa baba, swimming pool area. Gym nila. So, dito yung room namin banda. Dito ang room namin. Here, maybe. Nakikita namin to eh. Yung baba na to. From our window upstairs. Yeah. So, yun ang storya ng Rimrock Hotel. Ano namin? Escapade. What?
I think it's
Tapos na?
no, it's inside.
Inside? I think dito eh, no? Sa ano, no? Tingnan muna natin yung view niya. And then if not worth it, wag na. No? Sa tingin mo? Yeah. Sa tingin mo.
I think it's on the lobby. You can always ask.
Yeah, okay.
You know how when we enter the lobby,
Mm-hmm.
and then there's like that meeting room?
Yeah, let's see. Okay. So, yun. Marami ditong kumakain na lang din dito. Yung sa, ano na to, side na to. Ano? Okay, let's go na din. Punta na ako ng ano, room kasi ayusin ko yung buhok ko. Getting ready.
Isn't Dad's down there?
Yeah, punta ka dun. Okay, go there. Join them. Okay. So, ito yung entrance here. Loob. Okay, yeah.
Done swimming. When did you bring that swimsuit? When did we bring that swimsuit? Yeah, when did we bring it? I don't remember. I didn't remember bringing it. The only ones I bring were the mermaid one, and then the one dinosaur one you wore yesterday.
Time to pack! Ayan na si Dexa. So, marunong na si Dexa din, oh. O yan, pinak niya na yung mga things niya. Ayan. Ang luggage niya, si ate din, tumulong din doon. Kasi kakain muna kami. Itong cooler na to ay mga fruits ng mga kids kasi kailangan nila sa sasakyan. Nagdadala talaga ako ng mga fruits nila. So, laman yan is fruits. So, minsan nakakalilo yung biyahe. So, instead of giving them chichirya ko minsan, mga chips, ganun, ano, mga fruits ang binibigay ko.
I just
Gusto
wanted
nila.
to put that where I put.
Oh, yeah. Wet daw siya. So, ayan. So, ano pa? Ano pa ang ipapak mo? Nakapak ka na.
Yeah.
Okay. Ito din ang suitcase namin ni Daddy. So, ito, mayroon kaming ganito sa mga madumi. So, halo-halo na dito. Kapag nagpapak kami, kanya-kanyang malinis pa. Pagka madumi, andyan na. Ito na ang labahan ni Mama. Ayan. So, what else?
Go, guys.
Okay, let's go. Let's eat. Try namin yung breakfast nila sa baba. Let's go.
We want to change
Yeah.
it to this one.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want this side.
Okay. Okay, let's go down. Let's see. Ewan kayo natin, nandiyan sa inyo. Okay.
I got it.
Sorry. Wow, where's Dexa going, eh? You're leaving us. Thank you, Dexa. I think the front was here. No, that was... Hindi, dito ba na? Yeah, here.
Yeah, please right this way.
I have 2 kids and 2 adults.
Okay. You want to do the buffet? Absolutely. How old is she? How old are you? You're 5? I'm going to eat for free, okay? Yeah. Your server will be charged for drinks. Enjoy.
So, ganito yung breakfast nila here. So, in-avail namin yung parang eat all you can, no? Something ganon. So, free pala si Dexa dito. Pero kaming mga adults, I think 35 each yung ano nila, breakfast. Parang eat all you can siya. Okay.
Still at the hotel.
Yeah, video lang kami ng saglit. Yeah. So, ganito yung view while eating. Yeah.
This hotel looks like a mansion.
Mm.
That you can.
Okay. Eat mo muna lahat ng food mo, okay?
Right?
Yes.
Because this hotel.
Bana tayo ng coffee, okay? Ayan. So, ito yung mga breakfast nila here. Bacon, di nga lang ganun ka-healthy sa akin. Bacon, hot dog, they have these scrambled eggs.
Pastry, so I had to get one.
The pastries, they have a lot. They have salad too. They have also oats, nakita ko. Ay, kay husband na yan. So talagang, no, ganyan din yung kay husband. Same sa akin lang, but they have oats here. Honestly. With the ambience.
I don't have a spoon.
Bakit nag-ano ka na? Nag-dessert ka na?
This is yogurt.
Okay, yeah. So, ito yung view namin. Sige, kain lang kami. Saglit. Ayan, so pwede ka magpaluto ng omelette, no? Dito. Diyan nag-try din kami ni Dixie ng ganito nila. Although, bumibili kami sa Costco at may baon kami sa car.
No, this
We tried that. The same?
well, this is flakier.
Flaky.
Yeah, it's
Okay, try daw namin tong flaky na to. Different one too.
also fluffy.
Ito yung binibili namin sa Costco eh. Baon nila. Sometimes, may baon ko din sa office. No? Okay. Okay, Dexa. So, ayan. Nag-breakfast na si Dexa. So, ito yun. I-floor lang natin to, Daddy, no?
Popsicle lid.
Prime roast, breakfast.
Popsicle lid.
Yeah. Okay, so 6 pala daw to. Yeah, wait, hold a second. We tried their breakfast, yung eat all you can, parang ganun.
Popsicle.
Okay. So maganda yung ambience. So, summer na summer ngayon si Dexie. Kasi naka-shorts lang siya. Sorry, Daddy. Ayan ang lobby. Ayan. Okay. Just don't cry all the time. Daddy. Daddy, come here. Yeah. Upo ka muna dyan. So, ito yung view ng sa labas. Uy, wag ah. Sama tayo. Yeah. Okay. Ano na tayo? Mag-out na tayo mamaya. 11. Aray kong batang ire. Tara na. Tara, let's go na.
Uy, ganda oh.
Ganda, no? Ayan. So, eto siya. Okay, go. Okay. Ba't dala-dala mo yung bag mo na yan? Ang bigat, B. Bigat, no. Bigat. Careful.
We gonna go home.
Yes. Oh, meron palang river dito. Yung ko lang nakita.
Next to your earrings, suotin mo.
Okay, so yun yung view namin here. Ayan siya. Ito siya. Ayan. Ayan ang view ng hotel. Ayan, tapos dito sa baba, ito din ang makikita mo. Ayan.
Yesterday was the first day.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Gusto pa ni Dexa mag-stay. Yan. Gusto pa nila mag-stay. Pauwi na kaya
We go home now?
nyanamnam na namin tong view namin today. Huh? Yeah.
We go to a store.
Yeah, we will go there. Ayaw na to umuwi. We will go back here one day. Siguro ano,
Next 5 years.
5 years daw.
Mommy, can I see them explain to say I'm just say I'm back?
Okay.
I just want to say I'm back.
Okay. So ayun, nakita mo yung river na yun? Nandun, may river dito. Tapos, meron din dito. Tingnan mo yung view din dito banda. Bundok. Okay. Okay, and then, yun, yung iba nagtatambay sa arawan. Then dito banda yung kinainan namin kanina. Dito banda siya. Yan. See you again next time. So ito yung room namin. Ayan pala yung room namin. Nakapack na kami. We're waiting for somebody to help us na ibaba yung aming gamit. Hindi na-adjust yan. Yeah. So, maganda naman tong room namin. 2 queen. It costs us around 631 ata yun sa bill. And then, yung food namin kanina, it costs us around 80. Something like 90 na siya. I don't know if na ano ko kahapon to. May mga mini bar sila here. Wala na bang ilaw? Wala kasing ilaw eh. And then, yung coffee. Yeah. And then, ang kinagandahan ng nagustuhan ko here is ito nila, yung powder room. Yun lang. Kasi, i-separate siya sa washroom namin. So, ito dito yung mga gamit. Okay? Final check lang kami. Then, we will go na. Wala, Dexa.